Before colorful plastic footwear filled store shelves. Before transparent shoes became a fashion statement. Before summer style embraced playful design. There were Jelly Sandals. Light, flexible, waterproof. A shoe unlike anything that had come before. It did not rely on leather, or canvas, or traditional shoemaking techniques. Instead, it emerged from a completely different world. The world of polymer science. Its story begins in Europe after the Second World War. New synthetic materials were transforming manufacturing. Industries searched for practical alternatives to natural resources. Among the most promising discoveries was polyvinyl chloride, better known as PVC. Strong, flexible, affordable, and capable of being molded into almost any shape. Footwear designers quickly recognized its potential. Traditional sandals often required multiple pieces. Leather straps, metal fasteners, rubber soles, each assembled separately. PVC changed everything. Entire shoes could now be produced from a single molded material. Production became faster, costs fell dramatically, design possibilities expanded overnight. The science behind Jelly Sandals begins with thermoplastics. Unlike materials that permanently harden, thermoplastics soften when heated. They can be injected into precision molds under high pressure. As the material cools, it solidifies into its final form with remarkable accuracy. This process, known as injection molding, allows millions of nearly identical shoes to be manufactured efficiently. Plasticizers play an equally important role. Pure PVC is naturally rigid. Special additives increase flexibility by allowing polymer chains to move more freely. The result is a soft, bendable material capable of adapting to the foot while maintaining structural strength. Construction appears deceptively simple, yet every detail requires careful engineering. Ventilation openings improve airflow, textured footbeds reduce slipping, raised tread patterns increase grip on wet surfaces. Adjustable buckles secure the foot. Rounded edges improve comfort. Every curve is shaped directly within the mold itself. No stitching is required. No glue. Very few separate components. Manufacturing combines chemistry with precision engineering. Steel molds are machined to microscopic tolerances. Computer-controlled injection systems regulate temperature and pressure. Automated finishing removes excess material. Quality inspections verify flexibility, transparency, surface finish, and dimensional accuracy. A single mold may produce thousands of identical pairs. By the 1980s, Jelly Sandals exploded into global popularity. Bright colors appeared everywhere, transparent finishes, glitter-infused plastics, neon shades. Children loved them for the playful appearance. Adults appreciated their practicality at beaches and swimming pools. Soon, the shoes became symbols of carefree summers. Fashion designers noticed. Luxury brands introduced elevated interpretations. Retro trends repeatedly returned them to international runways. Psychologically, Jelly Sandals evoke nostalgia. Their bright colors and translucent materials often remind people of childhood vacations. Warm weather, ocean waves, school holidays. The design carries emotional associations far beyond simple footwear. Modern innovation addresses new environmental challenges. Many manufacturers now replace traditional PVC with recyclable thermoplastic materials. Bio-based polymers reduce dependence on fossil resources. Phthalate-free plasticizers improve safety. Closed-loop recycling systems recover manufacturing waste. Engineers continue searching for sustainable materials capable of preserving the flexibility and durability that made Jelly Sandals famous. Today, these colorful shoes remain recognizable across generations. They appear on beaches, boardwalks, garden paths, summer festivals, and fashion collections inspired by vintage design. Their appearance has changed surprisingly little. Because the original idea was remarkably successful, every molded strap reflects advances in polymer science. Every textured sole demonstrates thoughtful engineering. Every finished sandal reminds us that innovation sometimes arrives in unexpected forms. Because history is not always crafted from leather or stitched by hand, sometimes it is molded from a material that changed the way the world imagined footwear, one colorful step at a time.